Welcome to this demonstration video. I would like to show you how to create a new Jahia 6.5 module in a few very easy steps. And I'm going to take as an example a module that displays YouTube videos in a Jahia page. So the first thing we need to do to create a module is to invoke the Maven archetype used to create a new module. This Maven archetype first asked me to choose between three options. I'm going to choose option 3, creating a new Jahia module. Then I have to enter an artifact ID. So this is the way the short name for my module. I'm going to create a module called YouTube. Then I have to choose which version, Jahia version, I'm going to use with this module. Here I'm using the 6.5-snapshot tag for a Jahia branch, but if you want to use the official beta version, you could use 6.5-beta. Then I have to give it a nice name, YouTube space video, and confirm, and this is it. So now let's go see on my hard drive what the Maven command has generated. So it has generated a folder called YouTube, and in this folder, the src main web app subfolder, I can see all the elements that are needed to make my module work. Let's open this into a text editor. Now let's look at the first important file, the definitions.cnd file. This file is used by my module to hold all the content definitions needed to display some content on the page. So this is where I'm going to enter the content structure that is going to be used by my YouTube module. So first, I'm going to decide what my YouTube content structure inherits from. So it inherits from the GNT content definition, and I want the module to be also displayed in the structured content folder in the list of modules. The first attribute is the ID of my video. I want this to be mandatory. Then I want my video to have a width, which will be 480 pixels long default, and the height, which will be 385 pixels by default. And then I want to have a boolean to allow or disallow full screen of my video. By default, this will be true. Now I'm going to create a default view for my module. I'm going to create a GNT YouTube folder, then an HTML subfolder to create a new HTML view for the module. And in this folder, I'm going to create a file called youtube.jsp. And I'm going to create the JSP view of my module. So then I'm going to put some XHTML output in here. I'm going to use the embed code of a random YouTube video. And this will be the view of my YouTube module. Let's copy and paste this in the youtube.jsp and change all the values with references to the properties that we just defined in the content in the definitions.cnd file. So I'll replace the width, the height, the ID, the value for the full screen, the allow full screen, by references to the attributes I've just defined in content.cnd. And now I'm saving. And my YouTube module is pretty much done. Now I will compile this by going into the main folder, the root folder of my module, and enter mvn install. And the system will now compile and generate a war package that contains all the necessary elements for this module to work in Jahia 6.5. So let's go back to the YouTube folder on my hard drive and see what the system has generated. If I go now to root, I can see a target folder, and in there I've got a YouTube war, YouTube 10 snapshot war that I can deploy on my Jahia instance. But the easiest way would be to drag it and drop it into the shared modules folder in the webinf var folder of my web app. So I'm going to copy this URL right there, and it will be deployed into my Jahia instance. So now I've got a Jahia instance that has the module already deployed, and here's the module in action. Switch to edit mode, go to a page on my site. This is the ACME demo site. I'm going to go to the activities page, and I'm going to add a video to this page. So here you can see that in the structured content folder, I have my YouTube module. Could have entered resource bundles to have a nice icon and a nice name, nice display name in the list. So now I'm going to go back to my YouTube video and select the ID of this video that I want to embed and paste it into my ID field. And I'm going to leave the width and height to their default values. I'm going to give this a nice name like YouTube test video. And as soon as I click OK, the video can be seen in edit mode. It's actually the video I've just selected. If I switch to preview, I can see the YouTube model in action, and the video plays seamlessly into my Jahia page. Now if I want to look at another video, I can select another movie preview and get the ID of that video and paste it into my YouTube module there. Replace the older ID with the newer one, and of course now the new video plays in the original place of the former video. And of course you have access to all the features of the YouTube player, and you can go full screen. It works seamlessly. So thank you for watching, and I hope you all have fun developing new modules for Jahia 6.5. Thank you.